Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis of British Pound US Dollar is for 22nd March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let me take out the pencil. So we can see that the current market price of GBP USD, British Pound USD is 1.3858. Okay, and we know it well, or if you're tracking GBP USD, then you know it very well that it was in uptrend. Okay, it was in uptrend, and after this, market fell big time, took support, and if you watch the market carefully now, then you can easily tell that market is in a range right now. Okay, you can see that market is trading in a range, and as the market is trading in a range, you can see I have drawn three lines, but two lines are very important. This is the line number one, which is the resistance for the market. Okay, and this is the line number two, the support of the market. Okay, the resistance is 1.4016 and the support is 1.3803. This is the support and this is the resistance. Okay. So what should we do then? As market is trading in a range, we will wait for the market to come down to the support or either resistance zone. At first, let's try to understand if market comes down to the support zone, what do we need to do? Okay, if market comes down, to the support level 1.3803 level, then just observe the price. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is getting, or the market is getting support at this level, okay, if you see a price rejection from below or a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern like this, okay, then it will be clear to us that yes, support is still available in the market, or a bullish engulfing candle like this, or a big marubozu, okay, marubozu candle like this, okay, then you can easily go ahead and enter above this level. You can buy above this support. Okay, once you get the confirmation, in case it crosses this level, okay, a little bit, okay, then you do not need to panic, okay, because you can see that I have also drawn a black line. Okay, this black line is also a support for the market. Okay, so this whole area is the support of the market. This 1.3803 to 1.3779, this is the support of the market. This level will act as support of the market. So whenever market will bounce back from here, you can easily go ahead and buy. Okay, and on the other hand, if market doesn't come to the support zone and if goes up from here, okay, then what do you need to do? If market goes up from here, okay, then wait for the market to hit the 1.4016 level, this resistance level. Once it enters the resistance level or resistance territory, okay, then again try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market is struggling or the price is struggling near the resistance, then it will be clear to us that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to cross this particular level. And once you get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star, okay, shooting star, or price rejection from above, okay, or big fat red candle like this, then easily you can short the market below this level, below this level 1.4016 level. In case market crosses this level, okay, then also you need to wait for 3-4 hours and try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, market is trading comfortably above the resistance for 3 to 4 hours, market is not facing any trouble, okay, then it will be clear to us that resistance has become the support now and you can enter above this level. Okay, so this is the simple analysis of British Pound US Dollar for 22nd March 2021. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Good luck. and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.